everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to solve problem number 41 in section 6.4. To begin, the first observation I make in this problem is that the denominators are the same. So one thing to take into consideration is that we cannot divide by 0, so in other words, x minus 1, our denominator, cannot equal 0, otherwise we would be dividing by 0. So we can alternatively say x cannot equal 1. Notice if x is 1, then the denominator becomes 0. Okay, so that's the first thing. That's a restriction on our domain. But now that these have the same denominators, what we can do is we can just simply multiply both sides by x minus 1, and what this will do is it will cancel out the denominators as such. So maybe I'll cancel them out in red. So those are canceled out now, right? So what we're left with is x squared plus 4 is equal to 5. We have two more steps. We need to subtract 4. That leaves us with x squared is equal to 1. And then we need to take the square root of both sides. So when we take the square root, always remember that you need a plus or minus sign. That's because if we're solving x squared is equal to 1, so imagine these square roots aren't here for a moment, it's just x squared equals 1, then there are two values of x that satisfy that. X could be equal to positive 1, because 1 squared is also equal to 1, right? And negative 1 squared also equals 1. So both negative 1 and 1 are solutions, but are they? Let's reconsider what we said initially. Initially, so let me write this first. So initially, we had said that x cannot equal 1. That was our domain restriction. But over here now when we're solving, we apparently get two possible solutions, plus or minus 1. So that just means we need to throw out the positive 1 because of the domain restriction right here. So in other words, what we need to say is that x is equal to just minus 1. That's the only real, or only true solution, I guess. Or the only valid solution to this problem is x equals negative 1. Alright, well that's it for this video. I just wanted to go through a short exercise solving a problem from 6.4, so I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you in future videos.